Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the 4 hour time frame, if this really is the end of a correction right here, which we can't say 100% that it is because it has not been able to break the structure down yet, but if it is the end of a correction, then this move up right here would very likely be a correction to this move down, hence why we have the Fibonacci retracement there. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty nice impulsive move down yesterday. So now I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because if we do get a lower high, that's going to definitely be enough for me to take it as a short. So if it does, respect the fib level, if it does make like an engulfing down, especially if it's a break of structure, then I would definitely take it as a short. But I would definitely want to wait for confirmation. I mean, it could keep pushing up, it could make a double top, or it could even go to one of the higher Fibonacci retracement levels on the 4 hour time frame. So definitely waiting patiently for either a lower high or like a 4 hour time frame Fibonacci level that gets respected with a breaker structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.